Hey, what's up, just want to address something real quick. I still get direct messages every day asking how to get into botting or if I ever run slots for people. The answer to the first question is by joining a private cook group. They should teach you how to do everything, websites to go for, which items to resell, etc. And no, I do not run slots for people except for people in my cook group Notify for select websites, and we also have other slot runners who run for other websites, which increase your chances of getting consoles, shoes, collectibles, you name it. Our auto checkout service is free if you are a member, and Notify will be restocking limited membership spots on February the 6th at 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. EST. As always though, expect these memberships to sell out super fast, so mark your calendars and get ready if you want to join the winning team. Today we have Jordan 4 Red Thunders releasing. This is a very highly anticipated release. It's been delayed for many times, but it is finally happening. My expectations for this drop is very low. Nike drops in general are just crazy hard now, but we are going to be going for it. We're going to be trying our best. However, I kind of did like a last minute setup, so I'm not really expecting to get anything. I do want a pair for myself, but I feel like men's pairs are going to be crazy hard to get. So honestly, I think I'm just going to walk away with some grade school pairs, and that's about it. Hopefully, I do end up getting a lot of these, but highly unlikely. Let's see how we end up doing. I sold a couple of those super slow. What year was... Oh, I didn't have to solve? Captcha. Please work. Please work. I hit one on DSG. I didn't even put a single profile for myself on this spot. My last hope is Nike sneakers or foot sites, but I really don't think I'm gonna get anything on foot sites. There's like nothing left to do. I just gotta sit back, just wait for checkouts to come in, hopefully. No way, I think I'm about to hit. Oh my god. I got one. I got a trash size 4.5, but you know what, nowadays you just gotta build your points up for these retailers like Foot Locker, Finish Line, and stuff like that. Even if it's a trash size, as long as I, get my money back, I still get it's still a valuable checkout, because building your points up, you get more like exclusive access and stuff, and that's just how it's gonna have to be, But anyways, so far we have about 168 checkouts for slots. However, I think around 70 to 80% of these are cancels. I did see a lot of people saying in the chat that their slots hit. However, they did get canceled. DSG just has a super duper high cancel rate. Very strict about the payments that you use. So yeah, unfortunately, a lot of those did get canceled, but I know a good chunk of them also didn't get canceled. So that's that. Unfortunately for me though, I really think I'm only gonna walk away with just this one trash size, but I'll take it at this point. Okay, so that one checkout that I hit for myself, it got canceled. So we are back to 0 pairs. I think we got one more shot at a scheduled release coming up in about 2 minutes. I don't think I might get anything, but I'll try. Well then, at the end of the day, didn't get any for myself. Huge flop on my end. However, I did get 202 checkouts for notify slots, but I did see a number of people say they did get shipping confirmations for their slot checkouts. Dude, Nike botting is crazy hard. Like, I mean, you can bot like reservations too. Unfortunately for me, I haven't really been able to like really look into it or set up for it. But I definitely have to stop slacking on that, because that is going to be the wave for most Nike releases moving forward, I would imagine. However, you know what I really hate about this reservation thing is it's just boring. Quite literally like a raffle. Of course, the quality of your account and the amount of money that you spend on your accounts do play a role. It's literally like a raffle. Imagine doing a live cop for submitting raffle entries. I mean, I guess that's what Nike sneakers is about. However, the way they do it is within a much shorter period of time, so it is a little bit more exciting to watch. As for this, not really. Maybe in a vlogging format would be, but I don't know. Doesn't matter. I just gotta adapt. Hopefully within the next week or so they restock these so that we are able to get some. I did want a personal for myself, but honestly I'll take anything at this point. I want to see how they look in hand, especially since Jordan 4s are my favorite sneaker silhouette. But other than that, nothing left to say, nothing left to do. Hopefully we have more luck on future Nike releases. I'll see you in the next video.